because of procrastination I am not doing well in my job or what I want to do in my life. So I am all the time I leave it, just that yeah, I will do it in tomorrow.
Before doing anything. We have a lot of, thousands of thoughts in our mind.
Yes.
Sometimes they come in, if I will do this, then what happens? People will ask me, people will judge me, or people, criticize me.
Yes.
So these are
Hello.
hi, Anu, good morning, how are you?
Good morning. Yeah, I am fine. What about you?
Oh, yes, I'm also fantastic, and I feel more relaxed when I join this application and more happy.
Wow, that's great. So, where are you from? Which place do you live in
Uh,
India?
I'm from MP,
Okay,
Madhya Pradesh.
I am also from MP.
Okay, okay. So which part of MP do you
Indore.
belong?
Indore.
Oh, Indore. Okay. Oh,
Yes.
nice. I'm also very familiar with Indore because I spent, I think, 20 years there. I have completed my all education and worked there 8 to 9 years. Yeah, so I have a lot of experience, a lot of memories about Indore.
Okay, that's great. So, what are you doing? What are you doing for a living?
Yeah, right now I'm engaging in agriculture sector.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So, should we talk about this topic or something else?
Yeah, we are free
Okay.
to discuss on whatever favorite topics you have. If you have some important and favorite topics, so we can go ahead and yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, what habit or behaviors do you want to reduce or quit? Okay.
Mhm.
So, if I'm talking about my habits, so actually, first procrastination, which I am doing always, and
Mhm.
sometime I am overthinking. Actually, I'm overthinker.
Mhm.
All all the time I
Okay.
am thinking too much, which part that will not happen in future. But
Mhm.
again, I just you know my mind never stop just thinking about worries and many things. So I want to stop overthinking and
Mhm.
procrastination because of procrastination I am not doing well in my job or what I want to do in my life. So I am you know all the time I leave it, just that yeah, I will do it in tomorrow, like.
Mhm.
So that's why I don't want to, I want to stop procrastination also.
Yeah, definitely. I think these are the basic and very
Yes.
common problem for most of the people.
Yes.
Procrastination and your overthinking. Sometimes before doing anything, step towards doing something, we have a lot of, thousands of thoughts in our mind.
Yes.
Sometimes they come in, if I will do this, then what happens? People will ask me, people will judge me, or people, criticize me.
Yes.
So these are the things I think, just, useless question, useless thoughts. They just
Yes.
stop us. They
Yes.
reduce our energy.
Yes.
Okay, they
Yes.
reduce our potential. So yeah, it's very common, always there. But I think by doing our best, and I think it's the best way to engaging in good work, engaging or focus to your, goal.
Yes.
Just like learning or getting good command over this language. It's our goal.
Yes.
So we don't think what the people are thinking. They are
Right.
criticizing, laughing, it doesn't matter. Ultimately, if you love your goal, so definitely forget all the things. Just do practice, just try to maintain the consistency.
Yes.
Definitely, if we enjoy, some people told me, I read one wonderful, beautiful quote 2 days ago. We need to fall in love in process,
Yes.
but the process is essential to achieve the goal.
Yes. But it's
Means,
take time now. but it's when
Yeah, definitely.
but when it's take time, so we are overthinking almost, and sometimes we are again procrastinate that it's not happen, so why I'm doing like this. And yeah, because I want to improve my English, so I want to improve my vocabulary also. So most of the time I am procrastinate, and I'm not doing well what I'm want to do.
Actually, that is the problem. Means you are not fully focused,
Yes.
or I think don't get otherwise.
Yes.
This is my opinion, and you don't have that type of burning desire to achieve your goal. Otherwise, you don't make procrastination or excuses. I will do next time, or
Yes.
I will do after few hours.
Yes.
Because we need to fall in love in that process
Yes.
and follow the routine. You don't believe, I'm just 42-year-old. I have family, I have work, I have children, okay? Now, a lot of responsibilities of my family. So I don't have time to give to practice. So I make a plan. I committed with myself. Every day I have to wake up early in the morning. So
Oh.
every day I wake up 4:30 in the morning. No excuses, no procrastination. Just wake up to 4:30 and 4:30. And I am following this rule for last 9 months.
Wow.
Every single day I wake up and come here. So you don't think I transform my personality by using this application, by meeting wonderful people around the world. I learn a lot of things. Every day I learn. So, I have 2 extra more hours in my life. From 4:30 to 6:30. I spend time with my own to
Oh.
learn new things,
Wow.
to listening audios, reading books, and learning new vocabulary. And
Okay.
then the whole day I involve in my work, with my family, with my children. So when you fall in love in that process, so you don't have that type of
Yes.
ideas or negative
Right.
thoughts.
Right.
You also able to control your procrastination.
Yes.
You also point your habits.
Yes. Yes. You are
Yeah,
right.
I was, I had also same thing, procrastination or excuses. But
Yes.
now that I love this habit.
Yes. Yes. You are absolutely